Hello everybody, happy today. It is a few days before Christmas. I am very excited because I just want to show you guys some of the little bits and pieces that I have added to my home decor to just spruce it up, you know, zhuzh it up a little, to bring a little bit more joy to my home this year, especially that no one's gonna be visiting. I'm not gonna be going anywhere. I just wanted my home to be really festive. So I just wanted to share those little tips and little touches that I've made in my home. Hopefully you guys can get inspired and recreate something awesome for yourself as a little last minute touch up. Okay, let's just get started. If you guys have some sort of a mirror like this, a large one, what I've done is I've added an actual garland that I've bought as is. So I put it all the way through from the top, and I've kind of hid the stems with a bit of a greenery. I added a lovely little boho string and of course pampas grass and some lovely gold sprayed plumosa in between garlands, so not everything is super green, but I promise you the super green one is also looking really good. So yeah, I've added the little LED lights, so at night it just looks really nice and festive, and it just adds to the home decor. Okay, next is my fireplace, which I have the TV up, and so it's not as glamorous as I want it to be, so I can't really do much with the top of the fireplace, but I added a pom-pom garland, a few of these trees that is still low enough to watch TV, and I have this lovely thing. I have two of them. I'll show you what I've done with the other one, but I didn't find any stocking this year. Everything has been sold everywhere. I should also mention I have a small tree here as well in front of my mirror with my Lila Collective baubles and light. Well, love and light. Next, let's add a little bit of red. Why not, right? So these ilex berries are right beside the bar cart. Just give a little bit more color. And I told you, I haven't again done much to my bar cart, but I brought the stocking marble and hung one of my wreaths from it, just to spruce it up and make it a little bit more festive. And I have a diffuser that I am putting cedar scents and Christmas scent through it throughout the day, so it adds so much. Okay, on my coffee table I haven't really added much. These are all the things that has been there. Just a little touch, a beautiful scent candle that I've been like literally burning throughout the past few weeks. Just a cotton wreath kind of a thing to go around, and the cute little frosted tree. That's pretty much it. And then my usual bohemian goods. Okay, on my countertop I have this Lazy Susan with my plant and dish soap and you know, cleanser for the counter. So I just wanted to add a little bit something fun. So these acorns I just added, especially that they're glittery. On a sunny day like today, they shine and they add so much. Alright, my Christmas tree. I don't think I have videoed this year, but my Christmas tree is usually the branched lit one, and I always have gold and clear and white ornaments on it. But this year I knew I needed color, so I got these lovely felt and bauble garlands. And I kind of went around the tree, and right across from the tree section I have this counter thing that has my more plants and a little bit fun, you know, goodies around. My lantern that I can have them lit. They're battery operated. I put another LED thing and I hid it in the back. Let me show you. Ooh. So a little bit more festivity and super organic pine cones, and I added the garland here, pine cones and gold antlers. So just a nice garland there, and it just goes aligned with most of my home decor, the green, the organic, the woodsy, and of course the flare of lights. Lastly, my entrance, my foyer, I put another piece of garland around the mirror to keep it consistent. I did the lights, I added some pine cones. These are our everyday stuff. All right, this is it. These were some of the little bits and pieces that I added to my home decor and the existing things that I already had. And I think that's the key. Like, you would just look at all the little places that we have already things on, like that coffee table, our bar cart or whatever, or like the little Lazy Susan on my countertop, and how we can add small things to enhance the look and just, you know, make it a little bit more fun and festive for ourselves. I am setting up the dinner table tomorrow and I cannot wait to show you guys what I'm doing. I'm going for something a little classic but a little different, and it's gonna be looking really, really good. I mean, at least I hope so. So stay tuned for that one. Meanwhile, like, subscribe, let me know if you have any questions, comment below, and let me know if you want to see something else, and I am happy to share more. Thank you again so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay well, and enjoy the season, although it's going to be a little different, but we are all grateful to be healthy. Lots of love to you all, and see you tomorrow.